How to turn on or off caps lock on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, scroll down and go to Keyboard. You can manage all your keyboard settings from here. Now, scroll down and turn on the Enable Caps Lock feature over here. You can also manage the other keyboard features from here, such as Show Math Results, Smart Punctuation, Delete Slide to Type by Word, Auto Capitalization, and more. You can turn the Enable Caps Lock feature back off from here whenever you want. Following these steps, you can easily turn on or off Caps Lock on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.